Hello and welcome to our special broadcast here for Bharat at Paris Paralympics that brings you reports, analysis and exclusive interactions on India at Paris Paralympics. Well, the opening ceremony is scheduled for tonight in Paris, and with this, many doors will open for Team India to create more number of records and many firsts. So let's get started with this special broadcast. The city of Paris is all set to host its first ever Summer Paralympic Games in a grand opening ceremony. With its strong contingent ever at the Paris Paralympics, India is also all set to create a new record this time around. DD India's Abhishek Prasad brings you an overall preview of India at Paris Paralympics. Take a look.
Paris is all set to host 4,400 para-athletes as the 17th edition of Summer Paralympics is all set to kick off with a grand opening ceremony. The ceremony will again take place outside the confines of a stadium with athletes parading down the famous avenue, culminating in a celebration and official opening of the Paralympic Games at the iconic square in front of thousands of spectators. Around 4,400 athletes from 184 delegations will lit the stage in Paris over 15 days. A total of 549 medal events will take place across 22 sports, a big increase from the inaugural Paralympic Games in 1960 when just 8 sports were on the schedule. A total of 164 medal events are there in para-athletics and 141 in para-swimming, which are the two biggest sports. India is sending their largest ever contingent of 84 athletes. Javelin thrower Sumit Antil and shot putter Bhagyashree Jadhav will be India's flag bearers at the opening ceremony. After debuting at the Summer Paralympics in 1968, India has been a regular participant since 1984. The 2020 Tokyo edition marked India's most successful campaign to date, with the country finishing in 24th place with 19 medals, 5 gold, 8 silver and 6 bronze. Before this, India had accumulated just 12 medals across all previous Paralympic appearances, with 4 of each color. At Paris, India is set to make a significant leap in its representation. In Tokyo, India sent 54 athletes, which has now expanded to 84 athletes in Paris. A number of reigning Paralympic and world champion will be in action, from shooter Avni Lekhra, Krishna Nagar to civil servant and para-badminton player Suhas Yatiraj. Two-time Paralympic medalist Mariappan Thangavelu and Nishad Kumar would want to replicate their Tokyo success. From Tokyo silver medalist Bhavina Patil to debutante archer Sheetal Devi, the athletes are ready for the big stage.
अपने देश की तरफ से प्रतिनिधित्व करना एक बहुत बड़ा गौरव की बात होती है, तो बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है। यस, टोक्यो पैरालंपिक्स गेम्स में मैंने सिल्वर मेडल जीता था। इस बार भी मैं अपना बेस्ट देना चाहूँगी।
4 साल से मैं इसके लिए मेहनत कर रही हूँ। लास्ट टाइम मैं 2021 में ट्रायल नहीं दे पाई थी क्योंकि मेरी परफॉर्मेंस इतनी अच्छी नहीं थी, तो उसके बाद मैंने पूरा डिसिप्लिन में रह के पूरा अपना डाइट प्लस ट्रेनिंग पूरा प्रॉपर अच्छे से करके अब मेरी परफॉर्मेंस अच्छी आई है और मेरा इधर पैरालंपिक्स 2024 में सिलेक्शन हुआ है।
मैं मेरी पूरी कोशिश करूँगा कि मैं मेरा जो मेडल है उसको डिफेंड कर सकूँ, मेरा जो गोल्ड मेडल रहा है टोक्यो का। और हाँ, कोशिश पूरी यही है कि मैं अपना बेस्ट से बेस्ट दे सकूँ, जैसे कि मैं हर बार देता हूँ। और इस बार भी मेरा यही है कि मैं कॉन्फिडेंट भी हुई मेरे गेम को लेकर के। बस बाकी जो भी सिचुएशंस है, बाकी जो भी कंडीशंस है, वो सब आगे जाके पता पड़ेंगी पेरिस में कि कैसा कोर्ट है, कैसा क्या है। सो आई विल ट्राई माई बेस्ट कि मैं दोबारा से अपना मेडल लेकर के आ सकूँ।
At the Hangzhou 2022 Asian Para Games, 303 athletes participated across 17 sports and brought home a record 111 medals, the most India has ever won at an international multi-sport event. With a mix of seasoned champions and promising newcomers, the Indian para-athletes will strive to make a significant impact in Paris. A record number of 84 Indian para-athletes will step up to set a new medal record. As these champions get ready for another battle of their life, the world will watch their heroics unfold. With cameraman Uttam, this is Abhishek Prasad for DD India.